Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need transmission work, to order new parts, or a tune-up, when you bring your vehicle to Rosen Kia, you get better service at a great price. And at Rosen dealerships, you get a free car wash with every service visit, as well as a free shuttle to local shops and attractions. And if you want to avoid the wait, Rosen has express service available with no appointment. Visit us at rosenrosen.com, where you can schedule a service appointment, learn about our price match guarantee, and view our inventory of parts and accessories, and read more about the Rosen Automotive family, where great cars and great people come together. Call, click, or come in for more information. Rosen Kia Milwaukee is conveniently located at 5505 South 27th Street in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.